Hello and good day. And so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to deactivate your Offerup account. In case you want to deactivate it, this tutorial should help you out. So first, what you want to do is that you want to go ahead and open up your Offerup application. Give it a couple of seconds to let that load. And after that's finished loading, what you want to do is click on your profile picture on the upper right hand corner. And then what you want to do is that you want to scroll down to where it says account settings. So it's right under the account tab. Just simply click on account settings. And now once you're in this image, what you want to do is scroll down and then click on privacy settings and click on edit. And then what you see here is the account deletion button. So once you click on that, there's going to be two more prompts to confirm that you want to delete your account. This is how you deactivate your Offerup account. So with that, in case you want to delete your Offerup account, hopefully this tutorial helped you out. Again, after you click on this account deletion button, you should be able to deactivate your Offerup account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any issues at all.